Imagine the thrill of witnessing something never before seen in the wild. Researchers have achieved a groundbreaking moment by capturing the first ever video of a black jaguar engaging in mating behavior with a spotted jaguar in the heart of the Brazilian Amazon. This rare and intimate encounter, filmed in Serra do Pardo National Park on September 6, 2023, offers invaluable insights into the secretive world of jaguar courtship and mating, which could play a pivotal role in future conservation efforts. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that such invasive observations could disrupt the natural behavior of these majestic creatures. However, the benefits of this discovery cannot be overstated. Professor Carlos Perez, from the University of East Anglia's School of Environmental Sciences, shared his excitement. "We hit the proverbial jackpot and captured the first ever video trap footage of a black jaguar mating with a spotted male in the wild." The 6-minute sequence captures a detailed courtship and copulation process. And as Perez humorously noted, "If they'd moved a few meters, we would have missed everything." This unprecedented footage features a melanistic, black-coated female and a spotted male jaguar. It marks the first scientifically verified observation of a melanistic jaguar mating in its natural habitat, providing a rare glimpse into the behaviors of these elusive big cats. Jaguars are typically solitary animals with large territories and minimal social interactions, making it exceptionally challenging to document their mating rituals in the wild. Until now, most of what we knew about jaguar mating came from observations in captivity. Despite the vast size of the Pan-Amazon region, we still know surprisingly little about many of its species, especially how they behave in the wild, Perez explained. This footage not only adds to our understanding of jaguars but also underscores how much remains to be discovered about the everyday lives of Amazonian wildlife. The mating session was not a one-time event. The researchers observed the pair mate twice, allowing them to capture 2 complete sequences of courtship and copulation. Remarkably, the behavior closely matched what has been documented in zoos, covering 9 out of the 12 known mating phases. This similarity suggests that certain aspects of jaguar courtship may be deeply ingrained and consistent across different environments and color morphs. One intriguing observation was that the female jaguar showed signs of lactation, including swollen nipples. This could indicate that she was not in true estrus, but rather employing a hide-and-flirt strategy. Lactating females might engage in mating behaviors to confuse paternity or reduce the risk of infanticide, a fascinating survival tactic. Postdoctoral researcher Thomas Leipart from the Norwegian University of Life Sciences was particularly struck by the parallels between wild and captive jaguar behavior. What surprised us most was how closely the wild behavior mirrored what's been observed in zoos. It suggests that some aspects of jaguar courtship may be deeply conserved. However, the study authors emphasize that this single observation should not be generalized to the entire species. More research is needed to determine if this behavior is common among wild jaguars. Nevertheless, every new piece of information contributes to a better understanding of these magnificent animals. The jaguar is currently listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List of threatened species, and captive breeding programs are a critical part of conservation efforts. These programs need to be refined to ensure the long-term survival of the species. Understanding how jaguars behave in their natural environment is essential, not just for science, but for improving conservation and breeding programs worldwide, Leipart added. Every new insight into jaguar behavior helps us protect them better. These animals are under pressure, and we need all the information we can get. The study is published in the journal Ecology and Evolution. And this is the part most people miss. The broader implications of such discoveries extend far beyond the scientific community, influencing public perception and support for conservation initiatives. What do you think? Should we prioritize such observations to aid conservation, or is there a risk of disrupting the natural balance?